If you're a short form content creator who makes videos for TikTok or Instagram Reels, you know that the longest part of making your content can often be editing. And that's why in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can use Claude AI inside of Premiere Pro to automatically edit your short form content for you. And also make sure to stick to the end of this video because I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of free editing preset templates as well. Let's go. All right guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. You can see I got this clip of me doing this reel and I mess up a lot. Look at this, I have like a 3-minute recording and I need to get this reel down to about 30 seconds. Longest part can often be just cutting out this bad tape. So that's why in this video, we're gonna be using this AI Claude plugin. To use it, you go to Window, you hit Extensions and you click AutoEdit Creator Mode. Just like that, the plugin will pop up and, oh, I actually have an update. Give me 1 second. Okay, so once your plugin is updated, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Creator Mode. By the way, this plugin is completely free to try out and download. As you can see, there are a bunch of cool options in here. We have the option to, number one, remove silences. So you can actually choose the silence adjustment. So you can set it to high if you want, and then you can also adjust the in and out point. So if you want it to be full sequence or in and out. And then it's automatically detected our cuts. So it says it's found 11 silences and now it will cut 5 of them. And we just hit cut and boom, just like that, we have our silences removed. Now we can go ahead and move on to the creator mode. So this part is really cool because we can actually use Claude AI to automatically prompt what we want to keep and what we want to cut. By the way, as I said, this plugin is completely free to download and try. All you have to do is go to autoeditai.net. It's linked down below in the description. For those of you who don't know, we have 2 websites. So if you want to learn like anything video editing related, you can go to 11%.net. And we also have all the free templates that I linked to in the tutorials. But we also made these AI plugins called AutoEdit, and these plugins automatically edit music videos, event recap videos, and also content. And they're moving to this new site called AutoEditAI.net. So anyways, we can go ahead and now prompt our video to cut out what we want. So if we're editing a TikTok, we can say, cut out the filler words or keep the bad takes only. And then we can go ahead and adjust it too. You need to say like, this is a video about editing, keep all the necessary takes, right? And then I can go ahead and literally choose the template as well. So there's a TikTok talking head, there's a tutorial, there's a YouTube vlog, and so forth. And then we can go ahead and choose whether we want it to be fast-paced, educational, or viral. Let's go ahead and go with educational. Now we hit edit rough cut. It's gonna go ahead and send the audio to the cloud. So it's gonna use 11 Labs AI to transcribe our entire transcript. And boom, just like that, it is now done determining all the bad takes. So you can see it's checking itself and it's gonna go ahead and start applying these edits directly to our timeline. So it's kind of loading and boom, just like that, you can see it's now automatically cutting out all the bad takes for us, which is really cool. Like, look at this. I would have had to gone in and determine, oh, this is a bad take, this is a good take, so forth. But you can see the plugin already did that first pass for us. And now we can go ahead and just check it. So you can see it takes us to this page. So it's like, hey, these are what I determined to cut and these are what I determined to keep. If you want to adjust these, you can just go ahead and click and it will automatically keep it. So it's like, oh, we released a brand new plugin. I actually would go ahead and keep this line. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I can just go ahead and like I said, just click and adjust. And the cool thing is that manually tag it so it knows in the future, like, oh, Devin usually keeps these types of lines. Let's go ahead and adjust and update ourselves for the future so that we keep these types of lines. And then we can go ahead and just give it a test. You can see like it's removed all these repetitions over here. This is really cool. And better yet, and better yet, and better yet. So I repeated myself a lot over here and it determined the last take was the good one. So that's really cool. Now, once we're done with this, we can just hit apply all permanent and boom, just like that, it automatically cuts our timeline together. And now we have a nice rough cut of our video and it creates a nice entire rough cut so that way we don't have to go in and cut out all those bad parts ourselves. Now, the cool thing is that it doesn't stop there. You can actually add captions directly to this video. So we can go ahead and add captions by clicking the add captions button where we'll transcribe it and use that transcription to generate a bunch of captions. And booyah, just like that, now we can go ahead and apply these captions. So you can see in this preview, I can see like an example of what these captions will look like. There's a bunch of different templates and styles in here as well. Let's make it less words per line. And once we're done, we can hit generate and it will automatically apply these captions to our entire timeline for us, which is really sick. Look at this. Sick. Now we have captions applied to our entire video for us. They're actually relatively small, so I would go ahead and personally scale them up by going to the properties panel and just going ahead and increasing the scale, but it's nothing you can't fix. It's a really cool way to add captions automatically without having to use Premiere's kind of trashy captions applier and also inaccurate captions applier. Now, of course, as I mentioned before, in this video, I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of free templates. So for those of you who download the plugin, you'll actually get a bunch of free motion graphic animations. So it comes with MOGRT files, which MOGRT files are basically files called, stands for motion graphics template. And you can drag it and drop it into this graphics templates panel. And then from there, once you drag and drop these MOGRT files, which come with the AutoEdit plugin, when you download it, you get to keep these MOGRTs for free forever. You can literally drag these MOGRTs onto your timeline just like this, and boom, booyah, you now have these cool animations added to your video for you, and you can easily customize them by literally just clicking the drop down on any of this text and typing whatever you want. You know, you can type your name and it will automatically update just like that, boom, just like that. Now we have some animated motion graphics templates. It's a really cool way that you can add some cool animations to your videos as well to make your short form video just feel a lot more vibrant and poppy. So as I said, all these free templates, these motion MOGRTs, they come with the AutoEdit AI.net plugin. So you go to AutoEditAI.net, you start a free trial. FYI, this plugin is paid. It is completely free to try, so you can download it and test it out completely for free for 3 days. But after that, it's paid, unfortunately, because it's just a lot of credits to run and it costs a lot of credits to run it. So, but it does come with a free editing preset pack. So when you download the plugin, you'll get to download this free editing preset pack right here. You keep this free editing preset pack forever. So make sure to check it out. Seriously, it's a pretty interesting plugin, especially since you can use Claude directly in it to just prompt what you want to cut and keep. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, join our Discord server. We have a bunch of resources and also more free tutorials linked in this YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Now, if you want to learn how you can use AI to automatically edit your music videos, then you can check out this video linked right here.